Hello everyone. I'm Garland Marie de Sardenia, registered nurse, registered midwife, head nurse of Neonatal Intensive Care Unit. Today we will be discussing lactation management training in assessing a breastfeed. Objectives: clinical practice in assessing a breastfeed. After completing this session, participants will be able to recognize the 4 key points of attachment, assess a breastfeeding session by observing a mother and a baby, identify a mother, parent, caregiver who may need assistance, explain the contents and arrangement of the job aid in breastfeeding session observation. Lastly, recognize signs of good and poor attachment and positioning. Assessing a breastfeed can help you decide whether a mother needs assistance and how to help her. It will help you to identify and praise what the mother and baby are doing well together, give you information about current difficulties with breastfeeding, highlight practices which may result in problems later if not changed. Assessing a breastfeed includes observing what the mother and the baby are doing and listening to what the mother tells you. It is important that we note the mother will be more at ease if you explain you would like to watch the baby feeding. She may feel nervous if you tell her you are watching what she is doing. Here is the sample job aid for breastfeeding observation session. In the left-hand column shows breastfeeding is doing well. In the right-hand column indicates a possible difficulty. You will make a check mark in the box based on your observation. If you do not observe on either column, you should not make a mark. There is a section for mother's general appearance. Remember, if a mother feels good about breastfeeding, this will help her milk flow regularly. There's a section for baby's general appearance. Observe any physical conditions that could affect feeding such as black nose or cleft palate. A section for breast. We will talk about breast and nipple condition in more details in a later session. There is a section for baby's position such as cradle, football, and other breastfeeding positions, and a section for baby's attachment. Here is the picture of a good attachment and a poor attachment of baby during latching. It is also important to notice how the breastfeed ends. Signs of good attachment: chin touching the breast, mouth wide open, lower lip turned outwards, areola more visible above than below the mouth. Signs of poor attachment: chin away from the breast, mouth not wide open, lower lip pointing forward or turned in, and areola more visible below than above, or equal amounts. It is also important to notice how the breastfeed ends. What might you observe at the end of a breastfeed? The baby usually releases the breast themselves and looks satisfied or sleepy. There are signs that the baby has taken enough milk from the breast. The baby may or may not want to suckle from the other side too. The baby who is not well attached and not getting milk may stop breastfeeding and cry in frustration. A mother sometimes takes her baby off her breast as soon as they pause because she thinks her baby has finished. She may also want to make sure the baby suckles from the other side. A baby who is taken off the breast before they have finished may not get a full meal of foremilk or hindmilk, so the baby may want to feed again soon. Breastfeeding sessions can vary in length, for a few minutes to half an hour. If breastfeeds are long, more than 40 minutes, or very short, less than 4 minutes, it may mean there are some challenges. Make sure to observe the baby's attachment. It is important to note that in the first few days or with a low birth weight baby, breastfeeding sessions may be very long with many pauses. Make sure you complete a full assessment to evaluate where the baby's behavior. Now let's practice assessing a breastfeed. Here you can see the mother looks happy and comfortable. Baby looks healthy and relaxed. Baby's neck and head is twisted to feed. Baby's mouth is not wide open. There is a poor attachment. In this sample photo, you will notice the mother looks happy. The baby looks healthy and relaxed. Baby's neck and head is twisted to feed. Baby's mouth is not wide open. There is a poor attachment. In this photo, you will notice the mother looks happy. The baby looks healthy and relaxed. Breast looks healthy. Baby's neck and head is in line, held close to mother. Baby's chin touches the breast. It has a good attachment. Last photo, you will notice that the mother's position is not comfortable. Baby's neck and head is twisted to feed. Baby's mouth is not wide open. There is a poor attachment. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you.